Hello friends, welcome to Physics Life channel. Today we are going to study rank of a matrix. It is represented by row. Row of A means rank of matrix A. What do you mean by rank? Rank means a non-zero minor of order R. Rank of a null matrix is equal to 0. That means we know that a null matrix which has elements all are 0. So it have rank is equal to 0. Rank of A transpose is equal to rank of A. Rank of A plus B is less than or is equal to rank of A plus rank of B. We should remember about this, that is non-zero minor of order R. It is rank. All rows and columns are same or identical, rank will be 1. We know that here the all rows and columns, the elements are same, so the rank is equal to 1. Means that the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0, and also we find the minor of order 2 is also 0. So the minor of order 1 is not equal to 0. So the non-zero minor of order R, that is equal to rank. So here row is equal to 1. And here also the elements in a matrix is identical. That means 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12. They are identical. So means, and this means that the rank of the matrix is also 1. Okay. Next, for a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, we know that the diagonal elements only exist, other elements are 0. So the rank of a diagonal matrix is the non-zero diagonal elements. That is, here the rank means the number of the diagonal non-zero diagonal elements, that is A, B, C, that is 3. Here we know that in this matrix it have 3 non-zero diagonal values, that is 1, 2, 3. So it have rank is equal to 3. Here we know that in this diagonal matrix only 2 non-zero diagonal elements, that means the rank is equal to 2 here. In the case of triangular matrix, we know that the rank is equal to number of non-zero rows. Okay. Consider the triangular matrix, that is 1, 4, 5, 0, 2, 6, 0, 0, 3. In this triangular matrix, the number of non-zero rows equal to the rank. So here we have non-zero rows, that is 3 non-zero rows, that is rank is equal to 3. Here in this triangular matrix 1, 4, 5, 0, 2, 6, 0, 0, 0 means it has only 2 number of non-zero rows, that is row is equal to 2. For a square matrix, we know that square matrix have an order n by n, means that 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, like that. Here for a square matrix, the determinant is not is equal to 0 means the row is equal to n. Like that, in 3 by 3 matrix, the determinant is not is equal to 0 means the rank is equal to 3. If it is 0 means the rank is less than n. That means if 3 by 3 matrix determinant is equal to 0, then the rank will never be 3. It is less than 3. Okay. So consider this example. Here we considering a square matrix, order of 3 by 3. So we find the determinant by 2 into 2 into 6 minus 5 into 3 minus 3 into 0 into 6 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 0 into 5 minus 4 into 2. From that we get that is the determinant is equal to 22. It will never be equal to 0. That means that the rank is equal to 3. Consider another square matrix in which we find the determinant by 2 into 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 1 into 0 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 into 0 into 4 minus 2 into 3. From that we get the determinant as 0. So rank will not equal to 3. It is less than 3. So we check any minor of this matrix, that is we consider this minor, that is 3 minus 2 4 minus 3. So 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 4 into minus 2, that is plus 8, we get minus 1. So it is never equal to 0. So rank is equal to 2. Here we are considering another square matrix 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5. So we just find the determinant 1 into 3 into 5 minus 4 into 4 minus 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3. From that we get that the determinant is equal to 0. So rank will be never equal to 3, less than 3. So we just check a minor of this matrix. Any minor can be selected. That's 1 2 2 3 or 2 3 3 4 2 3 3 4 or 3 4 4 5. Any minor can be selected. Here 1 2 2 3 is selected. So 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 4, that is equal to minus 1. So rank is equal to 2. What is the case of rank in rectangular matrix? That is rectangular matrix, we know that the order is equal to m by n, that is 3 by 2, 2 by 3 or like that. Where m is less than n means row is less than or is equal to m. N is less than m means that row is less than or is equal to n. That means row is less than or is equal to lowest value in the order. Just consider a matrix of order 2 by 3. Rank will be equal to or less than that of 2. Never equal to 3. That means if the order contains two values, the lowest value or less than this lowest value is the order of that matrix. Consider this matrix. Here we know that the matrix order, that is 3 by 2. The rank will not equal to 3. It is equal to 2 or less than 2. So we checking 1 2 3 4 minor. So we find that the value of minor, this is equal to minus 2. So rank is equal to 2. For a rectangular matrix, the rank will be less than or is equal to the lowest value in the order. Okay. Here we are considering another square matrix 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 6 8. So we just find the determinant 1 into 4 into 8 minus 6 into 5 minus 2 into 3 into 8 minus 5 into 4 plus 3 into 6 minus 4 into 4. From that we get the determinant is equal to 0. The order never be equal to 3. So we just select a minor 4 5 6 8 and find the value, that is 2, that is never be equal to 0, that is rank is equal to 2. If the minor value also 0 means we check another minor and check all the minors, that the values of all minors equal to 0 means we check another possibility, that is order 1, that is the rank is equal to 1. Consider this question, find the determinant of a matrix. Here we get a triangular matrix and we find the determinant of a matrix means it is a triangular matrix. For a triangular matrix, we know that the determinant is equal to product of diagonal values. Okay, it is very good idea. If it is the idea we using, that is we just find the product of the diagonal values. Otherwise we can find all the multiplications. Okay, so we just find the product of diagonal values for triangular matrix. Okay, here the determinant is equal to 6 into 2 into 4 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 48 as the answer of this determinant. Okay, thank you for watching.